a survival game. Thank you.
This is a live-action horror maze that is engineered to test the limits of the human body.
Competitors, move now!
We don't eating, drinking, running, or turning back. Same rule applies for their mobile phones and phones.
Pay attention to the screen and do not move from this floor.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Players, welcome to Arrival. Your bit of fight and the biggest competition of your existence. The Survival Games. At Arrival, we push human experimentation to the edge, using our biotech formula, science. With engineered specimens that are faster, stronger, and uncontrollable. Creations beyond anything we thought possible. We at Arrival thank you for your sacrifice. Scan players.
Oh, we're getting scanned.
Game ready. Releasing specimens.
Ready, Vicky?
Move!
Nice nerf guns. Physical torture and risk of death. Sounds lovely. Power tunnel. The pantry must be the kitchen and the gas station.
No pain! No pleasure! Look what they did to me! Gives you such a rush!
Why are all the suits around?
You! Oh, that by ripping out your eyelids.
battle arena.
No, wait. Oh, here's I stand for Down there now! Specimen 42 has been released! Keep going!
Come on, move it!
Stand down! Stand down! Move it down! Don't bring it down! Bring it down! Move it! Move it!
Oh my god! That is so scary! I think I need to lie down.
So what's your verdict then, Vicky, on the scare maze?
My heart's beating out of my chest. That was really, really scary.
A lot of fun, a lot of fun.
Oh hell.
Definitely want to get yourselves out to Thorpe Park for Fright Nights. It's great fun.